Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to show you a new feature in the Pixel 8, which has the AI live wallpapers. So we can just long press anywhere on the screen, go to wallpaper settings. We're going to choose more wallpapers. Here we'll choose the AI option. Now they have a bunch of different themes you can choose from. I am going to pick something in the, I like cityscapes, terrain, stuff like that. So you can change any one of these: realistic. Let's do sand dunes and shades of pink. Create the wallpaper. Now, this will take some time. Now, I don't know if this is just the Pixel 8, whether the Pixel 8 Pro has more on board so it can do this faster. But it's going to be a little time. But there you go. There's your thing. You can also this Inspire Me button. It'll just randomly pick some. And see if you like it. This can be a little bit longer sometimes. That's pretty cool. It gives you some options so you can take a look at which ones best fit what you think you're looking for. And again, you can tap up here, go back, change X-ray of, let's see, foxglove plant and magenta, create. And there we go. So got some options of what it might look like. Pretty neat. And that's the AI wallpaper. Thanks.